I'm going to share with you 7 holistic health tips for beginners. These are very simple and they can help you live a much healthier life by taking a holistic approach. Let's dive in. Tip number 1 is to establish a morning routine. Having a good morning routine is so important. It kind of sets the tone for the rest of your day. When you wake up, take your time getting up. Don't hit the snooze button over and over again because that actually causes more stress in your body. So when you wake up, take some deep breaths, stretch, maybe do some light exercises or yoga. I really like doing a little bit of sun salutations in the morning just to get my body moving and to get a little bit of sunshine if it's available. And then eat a healthy breakfast. This should include protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. And avoid sugary and processed foods in the morning because that will cause a blood sugar spike and then a crash later on. Also, it's a really great idea to drink some water first thing in the morning. The best temperature would be body temperature water. You can warm it up in the microwave or in a kettle. And what this does is it helps to lubricate your joints, and it also helps to detoxify your body by helping your liver produce bile, which is important for eliminating toxins. Now, lastly, another very important part of your morning routine is to take a few moments for meditation or prayer or journaling or some sort of mindfulness practice. Doing this can help you focus on the present moment, reduce stress, and help you cultivate gratitude for the day ahead of you. Tip number 2 is to establish an evening routine. Just like having a good morning routine, having a good evening routine is also important. Start by winding down at least an hour before bed. Turn off all screens, including your TV, your computer, your cell phone. The blue light coming from these devices can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. So instead, do something relaxing, such as reading a book or listening to some calming music or doing some light stretches or gentle yoga. I personally like to do some light stretches, but I also like to do a little bit of progressive muscle relaxation, where I tense and then relax different muscle groups in my body, starting from my toes all the way up to my head. And then make sure to dim the lights or use essential oils like lavender to help signal to your body that it's time for sleep. Avoid having large meals or sugary snacks before bed because that can disrupt your sleep. Instead, if you're hungry, have a small snack like a little bit of nuts or seeds or maybe some Greek yogurt. Lastly, try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule can help to regulate your body's internal clock and improve the quality of your sleep. Tip number 3 is to consume whole health foods. By consuming whole health foods, you're eating foods that are in their most natural state, minimally processed, and they contain all of the nutrients that they originally had. Examples of these foods include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds, and lean proteins. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats that are essential for supporting your overall health and well-being. They provide your body with the necessary fuel it needs to function optimally, and they can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Whole health foods also tend to be more filling and satisfying than processed foods because they contain fiber, which slows down digestion and helps you feel full for longer. Eating these types of foods can also help you maintain a healthy weight, boost your energy levels, and improve your mood and cognitive function. So make an effort to include a variety of whole health foods in your daily diet and try to limit the intake of processed foods and added sugars. Tip number 4 is to stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for maintaining good health. Water makes up about 60% of your body weight, and it plays an important role in many bodily functions, including regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients and oxygen to cells, removing waste products, and maintaining healthy organs and tissues. When you're dehydrated, your body can't function optimally, which can lead to fatigue, decreased physical performance, headaches, constipation, and other problems. It's recommended to drink 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day, which is about 2 liters. However, the amount of water you need to drink may vary depending on factors like your activity level, climate, and overall health. So pay attention to your body signals and drink water whenever you feel thirsty. You can also carry a water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated throughout the day. If you don't like the taste of plain water, you can add some natural flavoring like lemon, cucumber, or mint. You can also drink other beverages like milk, coffee, and tea. However, it's important to note that alcohol and caffeine can have a dehydrating effect, so you should consume them in moderation. Staying hydrated is an easy yet essential part of taking care of your body, and it can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Tip number 5 is to move your body. Moving your body is so important for maintaining good health. Exercise can improve cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles and bones, boost energy levels, reduce stress and anxiety, improve mental health, help maintain a healthy weight, increase lifespan, and improve sleep quality. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week, as well as muscle strengthening exercises targeting all major muscle groups 2 or more days a week. Find activities that you enjoy and that fit into your lifestyle. It could be anything from brisk walking, running, swimming, biking, dancing, gardening, or playing sports. The key is to find something that you like because you're more likely to stick with it. You don't have to spend hours in the gym to reap the benefits of exercise. Even just a few minutes of activity throughout the day can make a difference. So get up from your seat every half an hour if you have a desk job. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Walk or bike to work if it's feasible. And on the weekends, go for a hike or a bike ride with your family or friends. The most important thing is to find ways to incorporate more movement into your daily routine. Tip number 6 is to get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining good health. Most adults need around 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to feel rested and alert during the day. Sleep is when your body repairs and rejuvenates itself, both physically and mentally. It helps to restore energy levels, strengthen the immune system, improve cognitive function, and regulate hormones. Not getting enough sleep can lead to a range of problems, including fatigue, impaired concentration, increased risk of accidents, weight gain, high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, and depression. To get better sleep, establish a regular sleep schedule. Create a conducive sleep environment, practice good sleep hygiene, such as avoiding screens before bed and getting some sunlight in the morning, and avoid using stimulants like caffeine or nicotine late in the day. If you're still having trouble sleeping, consider talking to your doctor, who may recommend cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia or other treatments. Tip number 7 is to manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can have negative effects on both physical and mental health. Stress can contribute to high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, anxiety, and depression. To manage stress, practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, or tai chi. Engage in physical activities such as exercise or sports. Get enough sleep. Eat a balanced diet and avoid processed foods and excessive caffeine or alcohol consumption. Set realistic goals and priorities. Break tasks into smaller steps and learn to say no when you're feeling overwhelmed. Take breaks and vacations when needed and seek support from friends, family, or a therapist when facing challenges. By incorporating these stress management techniques into your daily routine, you can effectively manage stress and improve your overall health and well-being. Or if you like these videos, you might also enjoy another video that I have on 7 simple wellness tips to improve your life. Thanks for watching.